is Lugait, Misamis Oriental. Designer, Daryl Lugatiman. In the coastal municipality of Lugait, the Bibingka Festival is a cherished annual celebration that pays homage to Bibingka, a traditional Filipino rice cake deeply driven into the progress of local culture. This festival costume honors the hard work, dedication, and resourceful of the community, where the coconut trees stand tall as a symbol of Lugait's abundance. Coconuts are essential for making bibingka, providing not only flavor but also a connection to the land as its resources. The festival brings to life the role of the carabao, which aids the harvesting of coconuts, showcasing the deep connection between agriculture and culinary tradition. For vendors, bibingka is more than a delicacy. It is a livelihood and a cultural treasure. The bibingka vendors embodies the spirit, showing the community's commitment to keeping tradition alive, fostering unity, and supporting local livelihoods. Sa Lugait's bibingka ka, magbalik-balik ka. Lugait, Misamis Oriental. Lugait, Misamis Oriental. Moncada Tarlac. Designer, Simeon Cayetano. The costume celebrates Moncada, Tarlac's heritage, drawing inspiration from its renowned sweet potatoes and Hall of Fame status in the Milan competition. The attire is predominantly purple, accented with intricate beadwork and gold details, evoking the rich hues and textures of the sweet potato. A striking 3D back dress showcases sweet potato replicas, while a back portrait highlights Moncada's artistic achievement. The ensemble is completed with accessories that symbolizes the town's creativity and cultural pride. Moncada Tarlac. Moncada Tarlac. Candidate number 8, Pangasinan. Designer, Enrico Frayna Sadyasa. The Salt Warrior is an iconic design by Enrico Frayna Sadyasa, inspired by Pangasinan's primary product, salt. The The name Pangasinan originates from a scene, meaning a place where salt is made, reflecting the region's livelihood. Beyond aesthetics, it symbolizes the hard-working and passionate Pangasinenses who produce quality salt and other products. This design embodies the province's resilience and dedication to their craft. Through the salt warrior, Enrico Sanjasa honors the region of Pangasinan. Pangasinan. Candidate number 9. La Paz Tarlac. Designer, Simeon Cayetano. This costume is a tribute to the vital connection between farming and education, featuring a fur-trimmed back piece adorned with hand-painted portraits that celebrate farmers' contributions and their hope for a brighter future. The woven baskets filled with golden rice sheaths symbolize the harvest, which enables the pursuit of education and progress. The model's attire, detailed with intricate beading and earthy tones, reflects traditional farming roots and the prosperity that comes from hard work. The design highlights how farming supports educational opportunities, symbolizing the journey from fields to academic achievements of the town of La Paz Tarlac. La Paz Tarlac.
Isang trainer.
Candidate number 10. Manila. Designer, Ricardo Atelier. A Atiatihan Festival costume. Manila hosts a variety of vibrant festivals that reflect its rich culture, history, and religious traditions. Atiatihan it's one of the celebrated festivals. Though it originated in Aklan, this festival is celebrated in Manila by some communities. Participants paint their faces black and wear traditional clothes. Manila. Manila. And let's welcome back on stage our second batch of candidates. Lugait, Misamis Oriental. Moncada, Tarlac. Pangasinan.